What's cracking, mother truckers? I'm going to be hunting tomorrow.
Land of the big bucks is where I'll be. I got shining.
Land of the big bucks is where I'll be. Outlaws music, that would be a shot caller from a holler. This is Scent Killer Anti-Odor. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using like frickin' stabberoos, you know, arrowheads and crap. And my good old grunt call. I have it on young deer because apparently mature buck and trophy buck don't sound as real, but land of the big bucks is where I'll be. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get me a big old buck. I'll tell you what the Oh, I got this hand thing now. We're shooting, I'm getting pretty good. It's like 30-pound pullback. Now let's show the close-ups.
It's 10 yards.
10 yards for real?
Yeah, you're shooting 10 yards.
Oh, you know, let's video this close-up. That was like 1 inch off from bullseye. Zoom in on that.
Let's see. Wow, that was actually really good.
What was that? Nope. Goodbye. This is Corey. He looks like Dora or something, but let's go. Wait. His arrows suck, so let's watch him demolish himself. Oh, wow. That was actually a little good. That was actually a little good. Actually a little good. That was a good shot, actually. I gotta give it to you. Now watch him shoot it. Okay, draw back, Sonny. Well, I don't know what's wrong with the, like... I don't know what's wrong with the...
I don't know, it gets blurry.
Yeah. And then it's too bright, so it makes everything look different than it really is today, you know?
Okay.
Another shot? That was nice. Okay. Last shot.
I had to hold my breath on these because I didn't know about that.
Yeah, I like doing this shot right here. So where it shows the target and it shows you drawback.
Oh, it moved. Not my fault. Okay, come on. Okay, you can turn it off.
Just video. Okay, guys, we're going to the hunt site. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully, at least one of us gets a deer. Okay, guys, I'm out in the woods, and I'm gonna be waiting for a big buck, and I'll tell you what the fudge. Holler. Anyway, got my bow, got my arrow right here. Been about an hour. I haven't seen anything. You know, nothing quite yet. I just heard one call back to me. Go away. Go. Oh my gosh. I should have put that thing in the freaking, what do you call that, garage. Half hour till sunset. Half hour. And that's when the deer will come out. I see them at sunset all the time, bros. At 30 minutes after sunset's when you can shoot. I gotta put the camera away. You're only gonna be seen from this from now on because I don't want them seeing the tripod. That scared the deer. I should have killed the thing while I could. I saw one out there, but he just walked by. I saw one. He just walked right by because he's way too far. That makes me mad. That's the hunt for today. Nothing.